In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello cards together. To make this really simple, we'll start on the web and move straight into Trello. Linking cards is great when two tasks depend on each other, when a bug relates to a feature, or when you just want quick back-and-forth navigation between pieces of work. Open your browser and head to your favorite search engine. Type Trello, then open the official Trello website. If you're prompted, sign in so you land on your workspace and boards. Before moving on, make sure you're in the correct workspace and on the board where both cards live. Linking works best when you have access to both cards, even if they're on different boards. If you switch between multiple workspaces, quickly confirm the board name at the top of your screen so you're connecting the right items. Once you're in Trello, open the board you're working on and click the card you want to connect to something else. This brings up the card details view, which is where all the actions live. On the right side of the card, click Attachment. This is Trello's built-in way to associate files, links, and, importantly, other Trello cards. In the Attachment window, look for the section labeled Recently Viewed and choose the card you want to connect. Recently Viewed is a handy shortcut because it surfaces the cards you've opened lately, so you don't have to hunt around your boards to find the right one. You'll now see the other card attached here. Next, click the three dots next to that attachment. This opens a small menu with additional options for how the attachment should behave on the card. Choose Link Attachments. Trello will ask you to confirm, so click Link Attachments again. This converts the attachment into a proper linked card. The link will display cleanly on this card, and when teammates open it, they can jump directly to the connected card without searching. In many cases, Trello shows the linked card with its title, list name, and helpful badges, so it's easy to recognize at a glance. Clicking the link opens the other card in a focused view, and you can return just as quickly, keeping context front and center without losing your place. Behind the scenes, Trello keeps the relationship neat and traceable. Linked cards make status checks faster and reduce context switching, because the relevant work is only one click away. If your team relies on dependencies, this practice helps everyone see connections clearly during stand-ups and reviews. That's the whole process. Go to Trello, open the card you care about, attach the other card from recently viewed, use the three-dot menu, and confirm link attachments. From now on, you can navigate between those cards instantly, and your workspace stays organized and transparent.